y'all, another day in the San Bernardino National Forest. I'm out to find a ancient dam, but looks pretty deserty to me, so I don't know about this one. But this time got a long way down, so I'll see you all at the bottom. Made it down further into the desert. Man, I'm in the middle of nowhere and it's so desolate and dry. But if you look out this way, a nice lush oasis. Pretty cool. Hard to believe I'm out in the middle of the desert. So nice and lush in here. See if we can find any water. Well, here's what's left of a cow. That's crazy. Some spine. I don't really want to stick around and see what killed that. This is a cool looking canyon, and we got some water now too, so it's always good news. Wow, definitely an oasis out here. Look at all this grass. This is beautiful. I'm just in the middle of the desert out here. Can't believe it. Well, geez, I forgot my snake gates this time. It's not smart, don't do that. But I forgot to take my helmet off, so at least my head's protected. A lot of rocks, actually. They really could fall. Cool tree. You never see these out in the desert. It's an alder tree. See a lot of these in the Santa Ana Mountains. Pretty big one, too. Wasn't expecting to find the dam out here, but here it is. Can't believe it. All right, so I'm standing right on the lip of the dam here. There's the bottom. So this dam is over 100 years old for sure. And I'm assuming behind this wall here, this was the actual pond that filled up behind this dam. That was a long time ago, so all the sediments from floods have filled it up to the dam height now. So no more pond, but it's crazy how this is out here. I always hate when hikes are downhill on the way there, because the whole way back is uphill. It's always nice just to cruise out when you're heading home, but not this time. Made it about halfway up. Got a little ways to go, but that was a cool, awesome little trip. Definitely gonna come back after some rains to see that dam flowing more. There could possibly be a swimming hole below it, so that'd be pretty cool. Alrighty, thanks everybody. See you next time.